Hey, it's Tom Gallagher, the Videopreneur, and today we're at Lou Fusz Ford to look at a 2019 Ranger 4x4 Lariat. Here we go. So let's take a look at the 2019 Ford Ranger Supercrew 4x4 Lariat, featured here in white platinum tri-coat with medium stone leather seats. It's offered by Lou Fusz Ford in St. Louis. As we move around to the rear of the vehicle, we see the LED tail lights. We can also see the backup camera here right below the Ford emblem. We have a lockable tailgate. We have a tow package, backup sensor. It's pre-wired for both 4-pin and 7-pin trailer package, as well as a lockable spare. Just love that tri-coat pearl white. As we move around to the side of the vehicle, we see the 4x4 badging. Great looking 18-inch wheels and tires. We also have the heated power folding side mirrors, the Lariat badging, and there you can see the hand-cooked 18-inch tires on the 18-inch chrome wheels. We have daytime running lights, LED headlights, LED fog lights, trailer tow hooks. Hey, it's the Videopreneur. If you like the videos, hit like, subscribe, make a comment, hell, hit the bell on the way out. Thanks again for watching. On the inside, we have the second row fold-down bench seats. We have a great look at the driver's area as well as the dashboard. The vehicle is equipped with leather-wrapped steering wheel, ambient lighting, dual bucket seats. Both seats are power, 8-way power seats. They are heated as well. Fingertip controls on the steering wheel. It is a leather-wrapped steering wheel. Here we see the center stack. It's a tilt telescoping steering wheel, remote keyless entry, adaptive cruise. There's the rear power, both 2 USB as well as the additional power port. Here we get a great look at the dash, really an attractive dash as well. There you can see the gear selector as well as the 4x4 selector. Here you can see the 8-way powered driver's seat as well as the really nice leather seats. Boy, that color really pops with contrasting carpeting and the doors as well as the dash. Here you can see the 4-wheel high, 4-wheel low, 2-wheel high, steering wheel controls, automatic headlights, tilt telescoping steering wheel, power windows, power mirrors as I mentioned. We also have remote start, adaptive cruise, lane keeping, pre-collision assist. Dual zone climate control. That's 2-wheel high, 4-wheel high, 4-wheel low. Additional power ports. Nice little cubby there as well. Trailer tow package. This vehicle is very well equipped. Nice remote, nice weight to the remote too. Feels good in your hand. Center console. We have a Sync 3 B&O stereo HD Sirius XM, navigation, 10 speakers with an 8-inch touchscreen. As you can see here, we punch through the various options. We have Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. The great thing about the system is you have the functionality of the touchscreen. As far as the climate, you can control it with the old school dials. And most of the functionality you can control from your steering wheel as well. So it allows you to keep your eyes on the road and your hands on the wheel. Backup camera. So there's the power locking tailgate, as well as you can lock it with a key. Has a bed liner. It's a 5-foot box. Really a nice bed liner. The engine is a 2.3 liter EcoBoost. It produces, believe it or not, 270 horse. It's made it to a 10-speed automatic transmission. It is 4-wheel drive, as we mentioned, and gives you 20 city and 24 highway. This vehicle is priced at $45,190 on the sticker. Just a really impressive vehicle. And